Fucking shit bitch ass retard, are you guys ready for a Christmas surprise from the overlords at OpenAI? Because I'm low-key hyped, high-key confused, and mostly just wondering what kind of AI-powered chaos they're gonna unleash upon us in the next 12 days. Sam Altman's tweet was like a festive present wrapping, hey, we've got some cool stuff coming, but don't expect any specifics kind of deal. Let me get this straight, you're gonna give us a text-to-video model Sora and a new reasoning AI model similar to O1 preview? Sounds like they're trying to make up for that whole AI taking over the world thing by giving us more toys to play with. And maybe, just maybe, we'll get some DALL-E 4 or an image generator based on GPT-4o's multimodal capabilities. That's like OpenAI saying, hey, you thought we were gonna destroy humanity? Nope, let's just make some sweet AI art instead. But seriously, folks, this 12 days of shipmas thing is either a clever marketing ploy or a desperate attempt to distract us from the impending doom of AI singularity. I mean, who needs human intelligence when you can have AI-generated cat videos and reasoning algorithms that are probably just fancy schmancy word salad? Still, I'll take it, OpenAI, bring on the AI-themed holiday cheer, or whatever the hell this is.